I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. But when I kiss her, I don't know where we're going, I don't know at all. I don't know how we're growing, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby, I don't do it all alone. So sorry for the heartache and saying goodbye, for wasting your time, for wasting your time. I don't know how we're growing, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby, I don't do it all alone.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it all